Hey, there you are, and welcome to My Dude Watch. My name is Jason, and we are scouring the shelves of Jomashop to find you the very best Black Friday stunners. We have some of the best brands for those of us that love affordable watches. You know the deal. Grab a snack, pull up a chair, and let's talk watches. We are just about ready to go, but before we do, please take the time to subscribe to the channel. It really does help. And now a really blistering fast wrist check. This is the Spec-In Sony SP0020. This is a beautiful watch that's spec'd out and wears great. If you like it, there'll be a link in the description, and it is a banger. Let's get started right out of the gate with a bang. This is a Casio G-MS. Those of you that love Casio, here you go. This is the MSG S200 in a rose gold tone stainless steel case with black resin strap. Casio hit a home run here. You have 100 meters of water resistance, a case thickness of 12.3 millimeters, and it's spec'd out with a perpetual calendar, chronograph, world timer, an alarm. It's also a GMT, shock resistant, and it's solar powered. This is a good looking watch. It appears you got the best of both worlds with this one. It looks like these boys got it covered with this Casio, and you can too. It's on sale for $114. We started out like a champ. Up next is a Tissot PRX T137. This is a beauty. The silver tone stainless steel case and bracelet looks just awesome. It has a sharp silver dial with luminous rose gold tone hands and index markers. All the way out on the outer edge of the dial, you can see a minute track. The dial is clean, legible, and open. Here you can see a date display at the 3 o'clock position. The PRX is powered with an ETA caliber F06 115 movement. It has a 40 millimeter case with a thickness of 10.4 millimeters. We've all heard of the PRX. This would be a nice entrance into your personal collection, and you can get it for $274. We are building some really good momentum here. Up next is a Seiko 5. What if I told you you can get a Seiko 5 with a 7S26 automatic movement with 40 hours of power reserve, with a stainless steel case, caseback, and bracelet, with 30 meters of water resistance for far less than you ever imagined? There are also other specs. It's got a fixed stainless steel bezel, a black dial with luminous hands and index hour markers. There's a minute track around the outer edge of the dial and a date complication at the 3 o'clock. This Seiko 5 has a case diameter of 37 millimeters. This is such a classy look from a legendary watch brand, and you can get yours for $124. We are blazing into number 4 with a bullet. This is another well-respected, high-quality, affordable watch. The Mako 2 has a stainless steel case, caseback crown, and bracelet. On top of the watch, you'll see a 120-click unidirectional rotating stainless steel bezel with a Pepsi ring insert. The dial is blue with silver-toned hands and index hour markers. There are numerals on the 6, 9, and 12. The case is 41.5 millimeters. The case thickness is 13 millimeters with a bandwidth of 22 millimeters. You get 200 meters of water resistance. You have a minute track around the outer edge of the dial. There's a day-date complication at the 3 o'clock, and power in this beast is an in-house Orient caliber F6922 automatic movement with 40 hours of power reserve. Lastly, this dial is symmetrical, clean, and legible, and you can get yours for $154. Pushing itself into the number 5 position is the Victorinox Field Force. The Field Force GMT is a gunmetal PVD stainless steel case with an orange rubber strap. The case is 42 millimeters in diameter, and it's 11 millimeters thick. It has a solid screw-down caseback and crown. The dial is protected by an AR-coated sapphire crystal. There are luminous white hands against a flat black dial surface. The second hand is orange and stretches all the way out to the outer edge of the dial. You can also see a date complication setting at the 3 o'clock. For those of you that may not be familiar with Victorinox, they have been making superior watches since 1989. They have a large, versatile range of watches, and they have got award-winning designs and execution. Sell for $309, and what an incredible deal. We talked about a whole lot of watches today. If there's any one of those that you like or want to investigate more, we do have affiliate links in the description. Go there, check them out, take a look around. If you see anything you like, just remember, if you make a purchase, My Dude Watch does get a small commission, but you don't pay more. If you like what you saw today, please take the time to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel because it really does help. I just got the signal to wrap it up, so we're going to close the show, but thanks so much for watching. It means a lot to us. My name is Jason, and we'll see you next time. But wait, don't forget, dudes can't be late.